Hi, today I'm going to show you how to submit your assignment one. Of course, your assignment one, once you have completed, you have assignment one, for example, _answers.ipynb, interactive Python notebook. It's a Jupyter notebook. You have filled up your answers in there. You can now convert to PDF. Of course, when you open with, for example, when you open with Visual Studio Code, you can try to convert it to PDF. For example, yeah, you can see here the triple dot here. You click on it and then you choose export. When you choose export, you can try to convert to PDF. For example, click PDF and it says where to convert, where to keep, right? So I'm going to just say export. And it tries to export. Sometimes it fails. And sometimes it fails mainly due to the latex package that we use to write equations. So normally it will fail. So what you do, it's okay. Now try to convert to, for example, to HTML. Once you convert to HTML, it's a website, right? It's a website format. You can open with Microsoft Edge or any browser that you like and then print it usually. The usual way, print it as PDF and then just done. But for example, if you just try to first convert to HTML, sometimes it fails too. Okay, so it fails as well. So it's fine. What you do now, you're going to use Google COlab to convert this to a PDF file. Okay, how to do it? So let's just exit from here. Now this is a file that I'm going to convert. Now, first of all, I must have a Google web account. If I don't have Google account, of course, I will not be able to do it. Okay, so go to Drive, Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive. So for example, yeah, Google Drive. Okay, this is where you can sign into your Google Drive. I've actually already signed in. So when I go in my Google Drive, I can find a folder named COlab Notebooks. So the color of the folder is in yellowish in color, right? That folder I did not create. It was created when I first run a Jupyter notebook in Google COlab. It was created by Google COlab service. So in order to create this folder, go to Google COlab. You see colab.research.google.com. Go there. Once you go there, you will see the first Google first Jupyter notebook. Yeah, Jupyter notebook. This is a Jupyter notebook actually. Yeah, as you can see, there's a screen where you can run. There's a cell where you can write your markdown language. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually a Jupyter notebook. So if you save this file, save in your drive, in your time to save in your drive, just click save. It will create a copy in your Google Drive. And when you do this, the folder named COlab notebooks would be created. And that file, this copy, welcome COlab, for example, MGM 581 COlab, I rename it. And then I save in my drive. So I just saved in my drive actually, or save in the drive. Yeah, save a copy in drive. Okay, once it successfully saves, it will open up a new tab for you. This is actually saved already, copy of MGM 581. All right, so you can find that file in COlab notebooks. Originally, if you have not used Google COlab before, once you do that, you have this folder called COlab notebooks. So if you go inside, then the file that I created just now, MCM, oops, There you go. MGM 581. So the time now is 14:42. Okay. All right. So this is how we can create that first the folder. So in this folder, I can create my own Jupyter notebook and drag and drop in order to open in Google Colab. So actually I have done that before. That's why I'm going to replace the existing file. Okay, done. So the name MGM underscore assignment 1 underscore answers. So if you go up, okay, and okay, there you go to Pawan MGM assignment underscore assignment answers. So the time now is 14:43. Okay, you can just click on it. When you click on it, it will open via the service collab research.google.com. So this is your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so now what do you do? File, print. Okay, choose save as PDF and save in your folder. So the folder is, my folder is assignment 1. Okay, I'm going to save in there. Okay, I've only got a new file, PDF file, which has the name of extension /collab.pdf. So this is the PDF file of a Jupyter notebook that you need to upload in eLearn. Remember, eLearn would only accept zipped file, and the files that you have to upload are 3 types of files. First is the source, interactive Python notebook. The second one is the PDF file. The third one is the file, the output file of question number 8. Okay, output file of question number 8. For example, this is the output file of question number 8. Given X, it will compute Y value and save it as this. Okay, so how to zip it? Just choose all 3, right click and choose compress. Or if you have Windows, choose zip. All right, now you have .zip file. This is the file that you're going to upload in MyLearn or eLearn, elearning.usm.my. All right, that's all. Thank you.